6 weeks ago, we started this beautiful wild fermentation project doing an ancestral mead with nothing more than raw organic avocado honey and water wild fermented. Look how it looks after 6 weeks. Super healthy and beautiful wild yeast. Guys, I wish you could smell this. It smells fantastic. Super rich, intense, funky, with an intense honey aroma. Look at the color. Wow. Sits on 3.7 of pH. There's 20 grams of residual sugar still and 10% ABV at the moment. I don't know what to do, if I should filter and bottle it still